So I would like to discuss about the drug that is Pyrantel. Okay, so Pyrantel is this drug there are many presentations for the drug. So one presentation is it comes in bottles of the suspension. Okay, is comes in bottles of 10 mils as individual packs in 12 times 10 mils loose pack, and each 10 mils contain 250 milligrams of Pyrantel base. Okay, so this is a drug that is used for the treatment of common worms. Okay, so these are used to treat common worms including roundworms, pinworms, and hookworms, either presenting alone or in mixed infection. So just want to talk a little bit about the transmission of common worms. So they enter our body through two major ways. There is contamination of food by worm eggs, and also penetration of our skin by worm larvae. And children are the main targets of worm infections or worm infestation, since that they are active and outdoor most of the time. So while playing around barefooted, the larvae of the worm gets the opportunity to penetrate into their legs. Okay, and sometimes they get infested by the worms by eating contaminated food. And also children also become the source where the spread of worm infestations at home begins. So the dosage when infected by the roundworm or the pinworm or the hookworm, regardless of whether it's a single or a mixed infection, it can be eliminated in one single dose. Okay. So for example, if the dosage is for example, if a child is between 6 months to 2 years old, and the estimated body weight is about less than 12 kilograms, then for the suspension, one has to take half a bottle. Okay, so which is about 5 mils of the Pyrantel base for 2 years to 6 years old, and the estimated weight is 12 to 22. Then they are recommended to take half to one bottle, which is about between 5 mils to 10 mils. And for 6 years to 12 years old, they take 22 to, with the estimated body weight of 22 to 41 kilograms, they take about 1 to 2 bottles, that is about 10 to 20 mils. Okay, so it's going to be 250 milligrams to 500 milligrams of the Pyrantel base. And for those over 12 years, and the estimated body weight is 41 to 75 kilograms, now it's recommended to take 2 to 3 bottles, that is from 20 to 30 mils. And adults over 75 kilograms, they are recommended to take 4 bottles. Okay, 4 bottles, that is 40 mils, or about 1 gram of Pyrantel base. So it can be taken any time of the day, even though the best time is to be taken just before bedtime, where the worms would be discharged the next morning. So This is a drug that needs to be shaken well before use, and it's to be stored in a dry place below 30 degrees Celsius, away from light. Okay, that's all. Thank you.